How to join Midjourney Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can join Midjourney Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, Midjourney has become a really popular AI art generator amongst all the other ones, and the way only you can use Midjourney is by simply adding them either to your Discord server or maybe joining their own Discord server yourself. And in order to do this, go ahead and first of all open up your browser. You can open the Discord app, but I'm just going to go to discord.com. On the left hand side, you'll be able to see this compass like icon that's an explore discoverable servers. Make sure to select that. Inside this server, just go ahead and type in Midjourney, or you'll most likely be able to see Midjourney right from here. So make sure to simply select that option here. Once you select Midjourney, you'll be able to simply join the server if you haven't already. Now, if you want though, you can choose to invite this to your own server, right? For that, you can just go ahead and then select this option over here, and then you'll be able to invite Midjourney to your own server. Otherwise, you can simply start generating images right on this own server. Now, keep in mind that there is very limited access to it because of high traffic, so you might want to upgrade to premium if you'd like to use it properly. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.